So I'm here at Strawberry Fields together, which is Blessings at Strawberry Fields, and let I just show you a quick walkthrough of one of the room that you may be interested in booking. And this room only costs 11,000 Jamaican dollars. And then I'll just do a walkthrough of the property, let you guys see the other spots. So this is the room. It's called Easy Breeze. This is the room I was staying in. You know, I would have checked out already, and this is it. So you have bunk bed with 4 beds. You have standalone bed, then a little kitchen area, so you get a small fridge, small stove, and yeah, and then the bathroom, which you have your water heater. Simple little bathroom, just a cozy little spot. So it's nothing, you know, those luxurious apartments and villas and so on. It's nothing like that, but it's just a simple if you want to get a nice getaway. Look at the view that you have here. And I'll just walk through and show you some other properties. So this one, as I said, is just for 11,000 Jamaican dollars. So now you have a next property there, which is rather, I think this is the cheapest property. I think this is for 9,000 Jamaican dollars. Purple Passion, very unique. Very amazing. Yeah, this property also, which the view here is stunning, because you wake up and you look at the beautiful beach. We did a tour yesterday and it was nice. It was very nice spot. Then you have this cottage, which is tucked away. You have your own beach around here, your own private beach. So all the lovers, you know, you see the heart on it, moonlight magic. So you know, come to this cottage, you know, a whole heap of magic you will create. Yeah, unique. And I'll show you the private beach around this side. Wow, just look at this. All of this for you and your partner, and maybe you alone if you're a solo traveler. Look, this is something else. So I'll just walk right around and you can just imagine the view from that property up there with a stunning seaside view. So look, awesome. But around here is just magical. I think you can just feel the vibes, you can feel the energy, you can feel. So let's go. So we're just going through the property to let you see everything. So yeah, just imagine that view. Imagine waking up to this. And I think the price for that room at the top is 25,000 Jamaican dollars per night. Yeah. So you can see the theme that they were going for with this was like the pirate, you know. You see the drums, you see everything like that. So you know you're sailing out to the sea. And they're doing some work over here. Not sure what exactly is going on, but they're maybe doing some maintenance or some upgrade over this side. And yeah, You have the restaurant over there, so you know, and then you have a next cabin at the top there, which I think have 4 different rooms, which you can book them individually if you want. So I'll just show you where the next package is at, and this is the office. So if you want any details, this is the office. Or
yeah, no, I'm saying that it will be 3 and more person.
so this is the next cottage up here, and I think the price for a room is, I think, 15,000 per room. Or you can book a whole package, which is at the top. So this is Bolt. It's very beautiful. And then you have a next 2-bedroom at the top, which yeah, so you have To the World at the top. So if you realize the theme around this is Usain Bolt, you have To the World, you have Bolt. I think you have lightning around the side. So you know it's fast room. So if you want to do things fast, as you reach the things, this is the road. Yeah, and that's, you know, that's where I'll bring it to the beach now, which is the main beach. For you guys to see the main beach area, which is why most people come to this spot, because the beach is very beautiful. So yes, that's the beach, and look at the lush garden, and then you have the beautiful turquoise water. Like, what more could you ask for? All gone, bro. And this is a next cabin up there. This is something else. Maybe next time, I think I'm gonna book this cabin the next time I'm here, but I think it have someone in there right now, and it's called Loven Ness. So if you're coming with your partner, I would definitely recommend this cabin. It's so unique and beautiful. The dogs here are so friendly. Hey! Alright. Okay. So until the next time, guys, that's my quick review of Blessings at Strawberry Fields. The lawns are beautiful. You can just come dine, you can bring your own food, you can do your thing, you can just come and enjoy the place. It's amazing. The restaurant, the food there, I think you can get a chicken lunch for 2,500. You can get fish, I think, for 3,000, lobster 4,000. So You have everything. You don't have to even go on the road. And the unique thing about this place is that you have different areas where you can go, you can tour, you can hike, you can do a lot of things here. So that's it for today, and blessings to you all. All right.